morning and welcome to Doncaster Motorcycles YouTube channel once more. Today you'll be watching me on the time-lapse. I'll not be blabbing on like I was yesterday. We're doing the fork seals on this KXF 250 along with the steering head bearings. They are very notchy. They'll centralise in, and when you're going over the whoop-de-doops and the big jumps, you want to make sure that steering is doing exactly what it should be and going where it needs to go. And the fork seals are not terribly bad, in fact, to be fair. Weeping slightly. But the owner, very wisely, thought he may as well have them done while we're doing the front end. Well, we've got the front end out anyway. So I hope you enjoy this one. Thank you. So I've got to the point where I'm just about to take the yoke out. Triple tree over in the States and anywhere else. I think it's got a couple of names, but you know which bit I mean. It's the bit that holds the forks in to the frame. I'm going to take this out. I don't know what it looks like inside yet. You can see it's been butchered by somebody before. Somebody's been in here before. A lot of people, and that's what they've done. A lot of people tend to grease them up thinking, oh yeah, that'll sort it. But once they're rusty and corroded, packing them with grease ain't going to help them. So there's the lower ace, and there is the upper. Nasty, rusty. We've got some fresh to go in there though. So, while I'm still talking to you and I've got the microphone on, hopefully I'm not shouting it this time. Apparently I was shouting on the last video. I wasn't shouting, I was just getting a bit overexcited. Lighting is not very good. So yeah, as you can see, we've got some rusty races. We'll take them out. You get there, we've got an all balls kit to replace them. Well, I thought that was a fine time to slow down the roll. Give you a close-up of what I see. Sometimes the time lapse does miss some important details. Mainly my good looks and fine figure, but also some parts of the bike. So yeah, you just saw me use the race removal tool there. Take those dirty, nasty old races out. That goes inside into the race, sprays out, and then I can knock it out with a punch. Old spindle, anything metal and solid. And you can see, I think you also saw in the time lapse, cleaned all that old nasty grease out. Frame is in pretty good fettle. So there we have it. Next up, we're removing the old taper bearings from the bottom yoke and then cleaning it all up and ready for the new set. Right, there we have it, everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thanks for watching. We have got the steering head bearings fitted. I did do the suspension as well, change the fork seals. I didn't film that. I've ended up with a fat lip, but that's a story for another time. Bit by the suspension, but other than that, everything's all good. So yeah, new fork seals are in, new fork oil, steering head bearings, it's all built up, nipped up. And she's now ready for the track. So Shane should be having a good time this weekend, hopefully, with the weather staying well.